right, so the next recipe is bone broth, and I used chicken bone broth. This is a dehydrated powder form, so it's super simple to make. You can also use a pre-made frozen bone broth or make your own at home. And the reason that you want to use chicken bone broth is it's a type 2 collagen, so it's good for your joints and it's good to help maintain your gut lining, and also good for cartilage as well. I added in fermented turmeric, and you want to use fermented because it's more readily absorbable. Turmeric is really great for its anti-inflammatory properties. I also added in Redmond real salt, and the reason that I use Redmond real salt is because it is unrefined and it doesn't have any chemicals like other salts do. It also is loaded with many different minerals. So I added in MCT oil with ghee butter. And the reason that I added that in is to add an extra flavor and healthy fats. So ghee butter is good for anyone who has a sensitivity to dairy, as it is lactose free. The MCT oil stands for medium chain triglycerides, which is really good for inflammation. And I also decided to include Wolsey kombucha. So kombucha is a fermented tea, so it's a really great probiotic. This is also a local maker as well.